So everybody, this is Crazy Dave taking a long walk into the island area here at Pigeon Forge. Gonna eat with the groups that came to see what I see, and then see what kind of other trouble we can get into. We'll show you around. Maybe you ought to come and explore yourself.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
What Laura ordered. Do we think that she can finish it? Do you think you can finish it, dear?
I don't know. I may need help.
What about the other people at the table? Let's see. This is what thing I've ordered. My goodness. We must be on a diet. And here's what I ordered. Today, we're going to take one of our friends' geocaching. Actually, what am I saying we're going to take? I'm going to take one of my friends geocaching. This is Steve. He's been caching once or twice, I think, maybe with somebody else.
Several times, yeah.
But we're going to do it the Crazy Dave way today. Yep, like I said, the Crazy Dave way. A little bit steep. But I think we're going to make it. Just based on the image of it, it's like right at the edge of the building.
Oh, okay.
I think the only way you get there is by staying on the rail. 151, 144.
So we've eliminated a lot of the 400 and something feet, huh?
Chopped it down pretty quick.
By taking that shortcut?
Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of a neat image. Ferris wheel up over the building.
Yeah. And this is the...
Oh, you can't go any further than this.
Yeah.
And we need to be at that edge. And can't go that way. Begin to feel like they don't want us to find this one.
I reckon that's a lot, huh?
What building are we at anyway? Oh, there's some ham. There's honey baked ham. Oh, well. Well, I guess it'd been easier if we'd pulled up here and parked in this parking lot.
I guess we could have.
Well, I warned you ahead of time. I usually take the hard way in.
That's okay.
Little Pigeon River Overlook. And the name of this one is Sit Down and Overlook. Alright. I think I may just swim back across the creek.
Uh-huh. Ah, so it might be in one of these seats. Is that what you're saying?
That's kind of what I'm...
We're at the lodge store. Do you think
And it says I'm 23 feet away, but under a roof, that's kind of a... At this point, it's just kind of a look around and see what we can find. Probably magnetic stuck to a leg or something.
Huh. Could it be like the
It could be.
And that's
Oh, I got it. See if you can find it. It's on that bench.
okay. See if I can find it. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I got the other end.
Sticks out like a sore thumb once you see
Yeah,
it.
so this is it.
That's it.
And what do you do?
I used to open it up and there's a log inside of it that you can sign. That looks like it's key holder, so it probably slides. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Oh, somebody left you an earring if you want it.
Yeah, and
Yep. But of course.
hey, it's a hobby. It's kind of cool.
So we found a cache, and we've got a nice
There
little.
wasn't any cash in it.
Oh, a
The
different
wrong
spelling.
kind of cache. This guy just never gets it.